To fix your Amana washer that is not starting, first identify the possible reasons why this happens. The most common reasons include power issues, faulty lid switches, and malfunctioning control boards. Begin by checking the power cord and ensuring it is properly plugged into a working outlet. Next, verify that the circuit breaker or fuse has not tripped or blown. If the power supply is not the issue, inspect the lid switch, which is a safety feature that prevents the washer from operating when the lid is open. If the lid switch is faulty, the washer will not start. You can try to replace the lid switch if necessary. Another possible reason for the washer not starting is a malfunctioning control board. This is the brain of the washer and controls all its functions. If the control board is faulty, the washer will not respond to any commands. In this case, you may need to replace the control board. To troubleshoot your Amana washer, start by checking the user manual for any error codes or troubleshooting guides. You can also check the washer's display panel for any error messages. If you are still unable to identify the issue, you may need to consult a professional appliance repair technician. Some best practices to keep in mind when troubleshooting your Amana washer include always unplugging the washer before attempting any repairs, and never attempting to repair the washer while it is still plugged in. Additionally, make sure to follow all safety precautions when working with electrical appliances. By following these steps and tips, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your Amana washer. Remember to always refer to your user manual and follow safety guidelines when troubleshooting and repairing your appliance.